Hey guys, I wanna show you my app. This is something that I've spent over 1 year on it, maybe 1.5. Um, so what's that? It's maybe it looks a bit complicated right now, but it's a engine. It's like an engine where you create actions. You can reuse those actions and run them from webhook, flow, CLI, AI agent, or deck. So deck, for example, if you know stream decks, it's something like here. You can create your deck, attach any action to this. Let's say here are assignments. So let's say I want to switch scenes from in my OBS from here. So I made a special custom OBS plugin for that. Yeah, let's say I have this action, call it activate scene 1. You select any action from your OBS. It automatically uh, takes a available stuff from there and your scenes. So yeah, there's scene 1, here's scene 2. Let's drag and drop into my buttons. And now interactive mode. This deck, you can install it on your phone, because I also created a mobile app. You have to scan this QR code in here to securely connect. Also, there is like relay mode, so you can use it from anywhere in the world, and it's encrypted end to end. So let's give it a try. Whoa! Whoa! It works! Yeah, so there are many more things like create macros, um, wherever, A, D, B, C, and let's attach it here. And now, oh, I tend to do it like this. Yeah, works, as you see. Your macro works exactly as you made it work. Different delays. Ah, and there are flows. Let's create one. Let's create one flow. Alright, just run the one that I saved. It has like trigger, action, download file, preview this file, and let's run it. It's gonna download something, then it's gonna preview this. It also has like AI agent, and there are plugins in my app. So let's say here some plugins installed. This one is just example plugin. Add some text processor tools, and after installation I can see the nodes from here. So it's like it creates a GUI optionally, or and nodes to the flow. So there are some example nodes, and works via WASM. So you can just use any language to create them, and you can there is streaming module. So I'm gonna present it to you quickly. Let's say you stream something in your OBS, and you have to create session. You have to create session, connect your streaming accounts. You have to log in first, connect Twitch, Kick, YouTube, Discord, whatever, and then you create like different comments. So let's create a comment. Let's call it, I don't know, test. Here I got a laser, and then you can just drag and drop it from assignments or search it right here, like arrows. Yeah, and now when someone oh, there are also some kind of permissions, right? So not everyone can trigger some actions. Let's say only like this user or moderator can trigger that. So let's say someone on Twitch message TNT or something, and then you run the action that you selected, and then it goes to assignment, to the engine. It reads assignment. In my case, it's HTTP request, like laser something, and it sends the HTTP request to my game, and it's gonna run something in my game. So you can make interactive games with it, or automate your streaming setup. So moderator can, for example, trigger like something in OBS. So, and that's also in streaming module overlaid, but right now it's still in development, this thing, because it's quite heavy to make it nice. So like you can add where is it, overlay, it works, but yeah, it's quite not perfect. But this is something that I want to work on later on. Oh, you see the chat module. Yeah, it's not perfect. I'm still working on it. So it's gonna be features like adding like animations, some emotes displaying on your stream. Yeah, this kind of stuff. And yeah, also there is custom context window items. So you can also drag and drop your actions into context window. Like for example, I have this. I attach a script that converts some ENGs to like pixel art, and I just click right mouse button on image, and I can just run the script very quickly. So yeah, that's it basically. I will be very grateful to if you join the app. There's a Discord channel in the description of the video, and I hope we're gonna create a big community. Yeah, I can spend like I said, 1.5 year creating this app, and I don't have any users right now because I'm not good in marketing, guys. So I would enjoy if you join. Thank you very much. We wish you a nice day.